Hi everyone, welcome back to Up for Dinner. My name is Anna and today we're going to be making this absolutely delicious homemade pasta with basil pesto. So let's get going.
You gotta cook and you know you're not a chef, but the kitchen shouldn't put you to the test. So put your apron on, turn up the heat, and in a matter of minutes we'll be ready to eat. Up for dinner. You're watching up for dinner.
So the ingredients are quite simple, you guys. For pasta, all we need is flour, just 2 cups of flour and 3 eggs. And for the pesto, of course, we need the basil, which I have plenty of. We'll need some pine nuts, we'll need garlic, we'll need Parmesan cheese, and of course the olive oil. So first step, we're gonna put our flour and make a little nest in it. We're gonna crack 3 eggs into this lovely flour nest, and then we're gonna mix it nicely together. We're gonna mix it very thoroughly to create this absolutely beautiful pasta dough. You can use your stand mixer or you can do it by hand. This is coming together very nicely. It's getting there. It takes a while, to be honest with you, to mix it by hand, but it's definitely worth it because you feel when it's actually getting closer. You know when your dough is ready is when it actually stops sticking to your fingers and it gets that very nice and springy texture and feels very nice and silky and even. That's when you know this is a good time to put it aside and let it rest for about 20 minutes or so. All right, so our dough is beautifully rested. It looks absolutely wonderful. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna sprinkle some flour on our surface. We're gonna knead it a little bit for another minute or so. And then we're gonna actually split it into 4 equivalent pieces. I'm gonna use my stand mixer right here to help me with that. But to help my stand mixer, I'm gonna just roll it a little bit to make it fit better, okay? And there we go, you guys. Make sure that you keep on flouring it a little so it doesn't get too sticky and it's just much easier to roll it that way. We're gonna roll it several times on the setting number 1 until it's nice and thin. Wonderful, so now we're gonna change the attachment and cut it into this beautiful fettuccine size. Let's run it through. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Oh, that's so fun. To nest it, you just grab it kind of in the middle like this, and you give it a twist. And there you go. All right, we cut our pasta. We're just gonna nest the last 4 of them, just like this. Looking beautiful. Getting better with the last ones. So funny. So this is great. And now we're gonna put it away and focus on our pesto. So for the pesto, we're gonna have to use our basil and we'll have to trim it down. Here we go, you guys. Oh my gosh, smells so nice. Looks so pretty. Wow. We'll have to give it a rinse, of course. All right, this is it. I harvested it. Now I'm just gonna give it a quick rinse and we're gonna blend it together with roasted pine nuts, olive oil, and some Parmesan cheese. And of course, a little bit of garlic. Stay tuned. All right, we're gonna roast our pine nuts. No oil, just like this, until they're golden. And we're gonna use it for the pesto as well as the garnish on top of our delicious pasta. Our pine nuts are getting there. They're getting golden. They get burned so easily, so you really need to keep an eye on them. All right, it actually looks like they're ready. They're nice and golden, and that's exactly what we want to see, so this is perfect. And now we're gonna blend all these beautiful ingredients together for our pesto. Our beautiful pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and all the basil. This is great. Our beautiful pesto is ready. So all we need to do is to cook our pasta, mix it together, and serve. All right, our water is boiling. We're gonna add a teaspoon of salt, and we're gonna transfer our pasta right into it. And truth to be told, you only need about a minute and a half for the pasta to get ready and cooked. Because it's a soft pasta, we didn't freeze it. Takes a little longer when you're actually using the frozen one. Just one by one, just like this. And give it a mix. Okay, it's looking really great, you guys. I'm gonna save a little bit of pasta water in case I need it later for our pesto to make it a little bit creamier. So just like maybe about 150 ml, put it aside. And when you're making homemade pasta or any pasta that will require some kind of a sauce, don't rinse it, because then the sauce is gonna stick to it nicer. So this is ready, it's looking gorgeous. We're gonna strain it and place it into the bowl to mix it with our delicious pesto. Pasta left. Okay, here we go. Our wonderful looking pesto. So bright, so green, so healthy. And now we mix. Oh, it's looking so great. And now we're gonna add our wonderful pine nuts. And we're also gonna grate extra Parmesan cheese on top. This is so beautiful, guys, and so exciting. I'm gonna serve it. On top of it, just for the garnish, I'm gonna add a few pieces of basil, our beautiful pine nuts, the more the merrier, and a little bit more Parmesan, because who doesn't like Parmesan? Just at the top, just a touch, just like that. And there you have it. Our delicious pasta is ready, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. I'll give it a try. Wow, this is delicious. I hope you guys will love it just as much as I do, and hope you will give it a try. See you guys next time. Follow for more.